The world where the delicate balance of nature is under threat. Don't you want to see the beauty of the blue sea? The air that is healthy and the land that is all green. A call to action echoes through the trees. Our constant cycle of consuming is powered by our never ending needs for products. Every purchase you make, from polluting products to single use plastics, has an impact on the environment. Careless behavior ruins our environment. Trash that has been disposed of ends up in our oceans, threatening marine life and affecting ecosystem. We can clearly see the effects of our actions. Loss of biodiversity, spreading wildfires, rising temperature, and others. Human activity has left wounds on our world. But there is hope. There is hope. Every effort counts, and when we work together, we can change the pattern of the pollution. We can reduce our environmental impact by embracing sustainable habits, recycling, and waste management. Reforestation, conservation, and sustainable urban development are essential for lessening the effects of nature's anger. By protecting the environment and putting strong plans into actions, we can lessen the effects of natural disasters and create a safer world. Make a choice. Embrace the sustainable nature to have a good future.